Evening Dot Nation, P. Dotty here, and it's the 10th of December. It's been quite a turbulent few days in Bitcoin land or for crypto. However, probably been taken out of context if for Bitcoin particularly. If you look at this chart, the daily chart, these two little candles, they're not really significant. And if you put a trend line here, example, simple trend line, we are far from even this short-term daily trend of being out of a bull cycle. So for Bitcoin, there isn't really anything to worry about for a long time. If you put on the weekly, you can see there are many levels. Maybe for 70k, you could say is a support, a major support. If it gets below that, then you could think about maybe a bear scenario. However, this isn't the case for Polkadot. As you can see, as you said before, it hasn't escaped that strong resistance of roughly $12, which made it kind of susceptible for pretty bleak pullbacks if Bitcoin reduced in price. However, for me, 95k is still quite high, and having such drastic pullback in DOT is not a good sign. Probably see from here that from my mini chart that DOT is actually one of the bearish tokens, and the only ones below it are WIF and Peanuts and Bonk, which also had large moves before that. They were very high, so they're not a good comparison really. So out of the compared to the other tokens which haven't risen so much, DOT actually has fared worse. We still have supports. We're still above these moving averages here in the long term, both long term and short. And Bitcoin's still in a bull cycle. This pullback now was to be expected as we got towards the Christmas time. Historically, it does, with November it moving up, and we're going to have some selling or profit taking during the December until the beginning of January. It's just how far DOT corrects. I mean, already at $7.60. Anything below $6 wouldn't justify holding DOT as a long-term trade. If you're in for the fundamentals like myself, then we'll just hold it till it gets to the price we think it's worth, which is roughly $100. But it's tricky if you're trading that. We have to see how tomorrow goes, if this move down is sustained, and well, to be honest, another move like this will take away all the gains made in the last few weeks. Hopefully this is not the case, and we still hold the major supports. Got this $4, $5 here, and we'll have to see how that is. Otherwise, I would say relax and just hold tight. It's going to be a long road the next 10 months, and it's going to be many of these ups and downs. And when you least expect it, that's when the big move happens. Thank you for listening. Bye.